Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a chart to your Microsoft Excel workbook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on one of your workbooks at your home page, and after that click on the A and pencil icon at the top of the screen. Click on insert and tap on charts down below. Here you can select from a bunch of charts that are available to you, such as column. Here are a bunch of other chart styles that you can choose from. There are these chart lines that you can insert, such as the pie diagrams, bars, area, XY scatter. There are tree maps as well, sunbursts, histogram, box and whisker, waterfall, and funnels. So if you have selected that one chart that you want to insert, tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, it has been inserted. You can select its further type. You can also edit its layout. There are a bunch of options. Add elements such as axes, axis titles, chart title, data labels, data table, error bars, grid lines, legend, and trend line. If you tap on one of these options, you can select from subcategories, and you can also edit the color. There are these preset sets that you can choose from. You can also edit its style. You can switch row and column, and the last option is arrange, so you can bring it forward, to the front, backwards, or to the back as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.